What is the future of the 1909 T206 Honus Wagner card market? What does the future hold for the 1909 T206 Honus Wagner card market? This card is not just a piece of cardboard, it is a piece of baseball history. Known as the Holy Grail of baseball cards, the T206 Honus Wagner card is one of the rarest and most sought-after collectibles in the sports world. With only about 54 confirmed examples known to exist, its scarcity plays a huge role in its value. The card's historical significance is tied to the golden age of baseball, a time when the sport was blossoming in popularity. Honus Wagner was a legendary player, and his inclusion in the T206 set, which is one of the most famous tobacco card series, adds to the card's allure. Collectors are not just buying a card, they are investing in a piece of baseball history. Recent auction results show that the market for this card remains strong. In 2022, a T206 Honus Wagner card sold for over $7 million in a private sale, setting a record for the most expensive sports card ever sold. Other sales have ranged from hundreds of thousands to several $1 million, depending on the card's condition and provenance. This upward trend in value over the past decade reflects a growing interest from collectors and investors alike. Several factors will likely influence the future of this market. First, the rarity and condition of the card will continue to drive demand. Cards graded higher by professional grading services, such as Professional Sports Authenticator or Sports Card Guarantee, often command premium prices. Second, the historical significance of Honus Wagner and the T206 set appeals to collectors who appreciate baseball history and early 20th century Americana. The market has also seen increased interest from investors, with high-profile sales attracting media attention, which can further drive demand. Auction activity plays a significant role as well. When a T206 Wagner card appears at auction, it often generates excitement and competitive bidding, sometimes breaking previous records. This dynamic supports price appreciation, making the card even more desirable. However, condition challenges exist. Many T206 Wagner cards have issues due to age and handling. Cards in better condition are rare and thus more valuable, but lower-grade examples still hold appeal for collectors. The overall health of the collectibles market will also impact the card's value. Economic conditions, collector demographics, and cultural interest in baseball memorabilia can all influence prices. In practical terms, owning or trading a T206 Honus Wagner card is not just about having a rare artifact. It represents participation in a storied chapter of baseball and collectibles history. For collectors, it symbolizes the golden age of baseball and connects them to the sport's early legends. For investors, it is a high-value asset with a proven track record of appreciation. As we look ahead, the 1909 T206 Honus Wagner card will likely remain as a cornerstone item in baseball card collecting. Its rarity, historical significance, and record-setting sales ensure it will continue to attract intense competition and command premium prices. Collectors and investors should keep an eye on market trends, as fluctuations can occur, but the future looks bright for this iconic card.